In this video, I'll show you how to send an international wire transfer with Wise. First, log into your Wise account and click Payments from the menu. Next, click Send Money or New Payment to start a new transfer. Enter the amount you want to send and select the currency you want to send and the currency your recipient will receive. Wise will automatically show the exchange rate, fees, and the estimated amount the recipient will get. After that, click Continue and choose whether you're sending money to yourself, another person, or a business. Now enter the recipient's bank details, including their name, bank account number, IBAN, SWIFT code, or any other information required for the destination country. Once the recipient information has been added, review all the transfer details carefully. Check the amount, exchange rate, fees, and recipient information to make sure everything is correct. Next, choose your payment method, such as your Wise balance, bank transfer, or another available option. Then confirm the transfer and submit the payment. Wise will begin processing the transfer and provide updates on its progress. You can track the status of the transfer directly from your Wise account until the funds are delivered to the recipient's bank account. Finally, review your transfer history anytime from the Payments section to view completed and pending transfers. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send an international wire transfer with Wise. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.